and the customer already installed the on-grid solar system. And his battery, at the daytime, the power consumption is very big. And at the nighttime, now he wants his battery also work at the night. So we recommend this solar solution to him. This is 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter. And this is 432 kilowatt hour lithium batteries. Why we recommend this solar solution to him? Because the customer budget is very limited. So we recommend this solar solution. We can less money to generate more power. It will be more cost effective.
Hello, Georgia. Welcome to our live stream.
Yes, welcome. And the customer already installed the 160 kilowatt solar panels, and he has 3 units, 75 kilowatt on-grid inverter. And this inverter is on and off grid type. We can connect the original solar systems. We can make the AC coupling. Yes, and with this solar solution, we don't need to change his original solar systems. We don't need to change his solar panels. We don't need to change the wire connection. We need to connect this solar system to his electrical. The connection will be very easy, and it don't need to take very long time. So it will help us to save the global cost. Yes. And this on and off grid inverter can connect to the diesel generator and the city power. Yes, if the sunshine is not enough, I mean the solar power is not enough.
Thank you.
And when the battery is run out of power, you can automatically to switch to the city power to power up your factory machines, and without any time lags. Yes, this will protect your machine to otherwise the damage, to avoid the damage for your machine. Yes. And this is the lithium batteries, and each pack you can see with the cooling system inside. But trust me, don't worry about that. If the battery temperature is high, it will automatically stop working, and we can connect to the batteries with our phone application. It will send the message to your phone to let you know. Yes. And this is our on and off grid inverter. You can see we can connect the importance load here. Yes, and also we can connect to the city power or the diesel generators. This on and off grid inverter with the transformer. The transformer will be keep the inductive load more easily. Yeah. And you can check our cable connection for the batteries. It will be very clean and more beautiful. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Hello, this is Hannah. Hello, this is Hannah, and this is our 100 kilowatt and 430 kilowatt hour solar system for on and off grid. On and off grid means you can use the solar power, also can use the city grid and the batteries. Yes, and this solar system will be sent to the Trinidad and Tobago for a battery project. This is 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter. This inverter can be connected to the solar power, city grid, and the battery. Also can connect to the diesel generator. And this one is 460 kilowatt hour lithium battery. Will be composed of two group battery. One pack is 215 kilowatt hour. So total two packs is 436 and for the battery use. Our customer battery have the stable city grid, but the customer don't want to use the solar the city grid at night, and they want to use the city grid. They want to use power at night. So our solar system to our customer. And with the 430 kilowatt hour lithium battery, so that the customer can use the battery and the power at night to save their electricity bills. And the customer already have a on-grid solar system. So when we install this 100 kilowatt hybrid solar system, we don't need to change the customer original solar system. We just to install this solar system.
Hello, welcome to our live
didn't
stream.
know to change the.
If you are interested in this solar solution, you
Yes,
can leave
hello,
your comments.
welcome to our live stream. So when we install this whole solar system, this is a AC coupling solar system module. It means when we install it, we don't need to change the customer original solar system on grid. We just install it. We didn't have changed the wiring and wiring from the solar panel to inverter.
Hello, Jasper. Welcome to our live stream.
Hello, Jessie. Hello, Jessie. This is Jessica. This is 100 kilowatt and 430 kilowatt hour solar system. And this system will have the 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter. This inverter can be connected to solar power, city grid, inverter, also the diesel generator. So in the daytime, this inverter can, solar power can charge your battery load. Hello, Simba. Welcome to our live stream. This is 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter. This inverter can be connected to the city grid and also solar power and or diesel generator. In the daytime, the solar power can connect to the inverter and supply power to the AC load. And also the AC load.
Hello, Win.
Hello, Win.
Welcome.
Hello, Win. Yes. And let's welcome to Harvey.
Hello, welcome to our live stream. Today we will introduce these solar solutions for you. This is 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter, and this is 430 kilowatt hour lithium batteries. And this solar system will be sent to the customer very soon. Now we are doing the safety testing here. When the testing is finished, then we will pack the goods and ship it to our customers. And why we recommend using this solar solution to our customer? Because our customer already has the on-grid solar system. Yes, the customer already has the panels and the on-grid inverter, and his solar panel is 160 kilowatt, and his on-grid inverter is 2 units, 75 kilowatt. And now his batteries want to work at night. He also want to use the solar power to power up his factory. So we will add the some batteries to him. And then we don't need to change his original solar system. We just need to add a on and off grid inverter. So his original solar system without any change, just add something. So the installation will be very easily, and the connection, the cable connection for his solar system without any, yes. And this on and off grid inverter will connect to his original on grid inverter and his important load. And also here can also connect to the city power and the diesel generator. That means it is also a hybrid inverter. When the solar power is not enough, or when the lithium battery is out of power, it will automatically to switch to the city power or your diesel generator. That means we can, that is 100%, we have the power to power up your factory, and your factory machine will not stop working. Yes. And another advantage of this solar solution is that the customer, the original on-grid solar system, he don't need to change any things. Like the solar panel, we don't need to remove the solar panel or add more solar panels. And we just need to add this solar solution to his electrical rooms. Yes, and our engineer teams also can provide the installation service. This solar system maybe will take 5 or 7 days to finish the installation. That is very easily. Yes. And here is our lithium batteries. We have 2 modules. One module is 250 kilowatt hours. 2 modules is 430 kilowatt hours. And each module, each battery pack is with the system. And here is many battery cells inside. So we will equip with the BMS function. BMS is the battery management system. It will get the voltage, temperature, currents of each battery cell. It will protect our, it will more safety. Yes, yes. And here is the touch screen. You can check the temperature here and the voltage here. Yes. Also, you can check the battery capacity here. And our lithium batteries, we grant 10 years warranties. And each battery, we promise it will have the 6,000 cycles. That means the lifespan can last to 16 years to 20 years. Yes. And our on and off grid inverter can also communicate with the batteries. It will have the applications. You can use the application to check the battery's working status or the inverter working status. That means you can check the power generations or consumption. Yeah. And hello, welcome to our live stream. Yes, this is the solar solution for the battery use. If you have
welcome to our live stream.
If you have the demands for the commercial use, want to use the solar system, or neither for the factory use, hotel use, you can contact us or you can leave your comments. And also we can provide the solar systems for home use. Yes. And you can check the connection. Here and we promise our qualities. And you can check the connection is very clean. And yes. Okay, Hannah is coming.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, the Harvey. Oh. Okay, next video introduce the on-grid solar system.
Here is the on-grid inverter. Yes, we can use this inverter. This on-grid inverter is without the batteries. Only connect to the solar panels, and the components is very easy. Solar panels and on-grid inverter, and with some accessories. Yes, that also means the installation is also very easy. And this solar system can sell the electricity to the city grid. Yes. Some factories will want to use these solar systems because without the battery, the solar solution, the cost is very less, and the payback time can be very soon. Yes. Okay.
Okay. This is on-grid solar with four on-grid inverter to the Trinidad and Tobago. So total is 160 kilowatt. Oh, so amazing!
还可以，还有声音吗？看一下，还有。
Okay, that's okay.
可以在这里，可以给他放。
Everything is fine.
Okay, let's go on.
Okay, let's go on. Just some errors. This is 150 kilowatt on-grid inverter compared with four inverter. Each inverter will be 40 kilowatt on-grid inverter. This inverter can connect to the city grid, and you can also sell the electricity to your city grid. But before you must have the stable city grid, so you can working with the on-grid solar system. This on-grid solar system in the daytime, solar power will come to this inverter and supply power to your AC load. And at night you will use the city grid. So if your place will need to pay the more electricity bills, so you can install this solar system, and when you have the stable power, and you can also sell the solar power to the city grid.
Hello, welcome to our live stream. And here we show this is the on-grid inverter. Yes. This is the on-grid inverter. And what's the situation we will choose the on-grid inverter? That some countries the electricity bill is very high, so but his factory or his hotel or his his working hour is at the daytime, and at the night he don't want to use the powers. Then we will use the on-grid solar solutions. The on-grid solar solutions is very easy. just the solar panel and the on-grid inverter. And so that means this solar solution, the cost is not much. Then we will get the payback from this solar system very soon.
我觉得
Yeah.
应该给他喝，但是我
At the daytime, we will use the power from the solar panels, and the solar panels will generate power, and through the on-grid inverter to supply the power to your load.
去哪？
And this solar system is without the batteries. That means at the night time you will use the power from the city grid. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, thank you for Harvey. Let's have a rest. And this is on-grid solar system for the 4 pieces inverter. This system will be used in Trinidad and Tobago. And on-grid solar system is very simple. When you install it, just need a solar panel installed on the roof or on the ground. And also install the inverter, the electricity room. Yes, and if your city have the stable power, city power, and your electricity bills is much higher, much expensive, you can install this on-grid solar system to save your electricity bills. And this electricity bill and this solar system can also sell the electricity to the city grid. Yes, so at the same time you can save the electricity bill. Also can sell the electricity to the city grid to earn some money. Yes, and this on-grid solar system without the battery. So that means in the daytime you will use the solar power, solar panel, and in the nighttime you will use the city grid. If your battery hotel in daytime the power consumption will be much higher. You can use the on-grid solar system to supply solar power to your battery or hotel or exactly some place.
不用了。
Yes, and in the nighttime, if your power consumption is low, and the city grid can supply power to your AC, to your equipment, exactly. So this whole solar system will be total 160 kilowatt on-grid inverter. This inverter will be composed of 4 pieces, 40 kilowatt inverter, on-grid inverter. This inverter, this on-grid solar system, when you install it, is much easy, simple. You just need to install the solar panel on the roof or on the ground. Also install this 4 pieces on-grid inverter on your electricity room, and keep your electricity room is safe. Yes. And there have many ports. One part of ports will be connected to the MPPT. The MPPT will the MPPT can charge your battery, but with the system without the battery. Battery is an option. And this have also some ports connect to the city grid and the AC road. This system, the whole solar system can save your electricity bill. If your city will charge your electricity bill is much higher or expensive, you can install this on-grid solar system to save your money and save your electricity bill. Yes, let's welcome Harvey.
Yes. Hello, welcome to our live stream. And here is our on-grid inverter. Actually, we have 2 types of solar solution. One is off-grid solution and one is on-grid solutions. The off-grid solar system is without the batteries. but the on-grid, the off-grid solar system is the batteries, but the on-grid solar system is without the batteries. And without the batteries, the solar solution, the budget is very small, and some factories and like the country, the city power is stable, but electricity bill is very high. Then we will use the on-grid solar solutions. Because the on-grid solar solution, we can sell the electricity to the city grid. That means we can earn some money, make some money from the electricity companies. Yes. And meanwhile, this solar solution only with the solar panels and the on-grid inverter. At the daytime, the solar panels will generate and power up your home loads or your machines. And at the nighttime, we will also use the city power. This solution is very easy, and the connection is also very easy. In some factory in the Philippines, we have made some projects for them for the on-grid systems. Yes. Before, their electricity bill is very high, and when they use our on-grid solar solution, the electricity cost is less and less. Yes. This on-grid solar solution can also connect to the city power. If the solar panel generates more powers, you can sell the power to the city grid. Yes, and our on-grid inverter with all the certificates to connect to the city grid. Yes. Let's do some things, other things. Yes. Okay, 配电柜. And hello again, and this is our AC distribution cabinet. This cabinet, the function is we can connect to the solar power and the city power and the diesel generators. And with this AC cabinet, we can connect three different power sources. And when our solar power is not enough, it will automatically switch to another power. And also, if like when we miss the power outage, and when we miss the power outage, and also the weather is very bad, with no sunshine, we can use the diesel generator as well. Yes. Yes, welcome to our live streams. Yes, for some projects we will equip with this AC distribution cabinet, and we also recommend our customer using this solar AC distribution cabinet, because with this cabinet, when the solar power is not enough, when the city grid is outage, we can also use the diesel generators here. Yes, that will promise to ensure your home loads or your battery is always working without the powers. Yes. And factory owner will also like this cabinet, because we can connect three sources of powers. That means if one source of power is off, we can also the another one. And here is the ATS function. The ATS will ensure that when one of the power is off, we can automatically to switch to the another powers. Yeah. And here is connected to the load. Yeah. This actually the connection for this is very easily. Here is connected to the solar power, and here is connected to the city power. Here connect to the diesel generators. I connect to the load. Yeah. And if you have interested in our solar solution, you can leave your comment and we will contact you very soon. And we supply the solar solution for the off-grid solar system and the on-grid solar system. Like for the home use, factory use, for the hotel use, for the hospital use,
Hello,
you can contact us. Yes, we will decide the solar solutions for use.
Please leave your comment.
Yes.
Our team will connect to you and solar system details to you.
Yes, and this is the AC distribution cabinet. Some solution we will equip with this AC distribution cabinet. Yes. And some they already has the diesel generator, and now he want to change to the solar power. So we can use this AC distribution cabinet to keep these two powers. Yes.
Hello, Q. Hello,
Here
Q.
is connect to the solar power. Here connect to the city power, and here is connect to the diesel generator. Here connect to the load. Yeah. When the solar power is not enough, it will automatically to switch to the city power or the diesel generator. And we can adjust to make which power is the first power, which power is the second power. Yes, for some factory, their machine cannot stacking. It must be always open. And in this situation, we will recommend using this AC distribution box, because if the solar power is off, we can the diesel generator or the city power, and the switch time is very small. Maybe it will not cause your machine stop working and not damage your machine. Yeah. No. Typos. Yeah. Yeah, for some facility like the factory or the hospital, some important load cannot stop working. So we will equip them with this AC distribution cabinet. This AC distribution cabinet can connect to three sources of power. One is the solar power, and the city power, and the diesel generator. To ensure our power will not off, we will always have the powers. Yes.
这个讲完了吗？还是说我继续接着讲？我说这个，我讲一下，我来讲这个吧。又坏了。
Yes, we will show you the other
solar system.
Yes, the other solar systems.
然后讲这个。
没那些收据是不是？没有包装费，没有包装费。
And we are a solar system manufacturer. If you want to install the solar system, you can contact us. We can design the solar for you according to your list. Yes, we supply the solar solution for the home use, factory use, hospital use, and the farm. Yeah.
不行。
Later, we will show you another solar system. That is an on
不是摄影，
and off water with the 430 kilowatt hour lithium batteries.
Yes. 还好吗？
Okay. Yeah, now we will introduce another solar systems for you.
我来吧。然后准备结还有10几分钟。Hello, welcome to our live stream again. This is Hannah, and this is 100 kilowatt and 430 kilowatt hour solar system on and off solar system solution for battery use. This solar system will be sent to the Caribbean in 1 February. And team will also go to the Caribbean. Our customer country will help
Yes,
in
can
the
you send
solar
the
system
details
installation.
receiving address to us so we
have
can
the
check the shipping
engineering
cost
team.
for you? Yeah, you can. Yes, you can your contact information, and our team will contact you soon and share the shipping cost for you.
Okay, this is 100 kilowatt and 430 kilowatt solar system, on and off grid solar system solution for battery use. And this is 100 on and off inverter, hybrid inverter. This can connect to solar power, city grid, and diesel generators. And this is 430 kilowatt hour lithium battery. This lithium battery will compose of battery pack. One group will be 215 kilowatt hour lithium battery. So total two group will be 430 kilowatt hour. Each group lithium battery will be BNX function. What is BNX function? BNX means you can check the data with the solar lithium battery, like the battery voltage, current, and temperature. And BNS means it is battery
Management system.
system. So you can check the battery data like voltage, current, and the temperature. And this whole solar system will send to Caribbean in February. And that time, our engineering team will also go to our customer country.
Yeah, please leave your contact information. We will share the quotations for you very soon.
Yes. Please leave your comments, and our team will contact you. And this on and grid and off solar system will be our customer. Our customer already have on grid solar system, but our customer also want to use the power at night. So we recommend this on and off grid solar system with lithium battery to the customer, so the customer can use the power at night. And this solar system, when we install it, because customer already have on-grid solar system, right? So when we install it, we don't need to change the wiring of the customer original on-grid solar system. We just connect to the inverter with the customer on-grid inverter to our 100 kilowatt hybrid inverter. So the hybrid inverter will supply power to our customer tree load. 等一下，我想要怎么说来着？Yes, and our customer tree it have the stable power, but because the customer already have an on-grid solar system, they also want to use the solar power at night. So this is the listen back solution which the customer can supply power to the customer and 休息一下。穿衣服太多了，好热。
Yeah, hello, welcome to our live stream. This is Harvey, and now we will introduce these solar solutions for you. Actually, our customer already has the on-grid system. He already has the 160 kilowatt solar panels and the 2 units 75 kilowatt on-grid inverter. And now his batch want to work at night, so he don't want to use the city power because the electricity bill is very high. So we will recommend to him to use these solar solutions. And this solar system is 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter with 430 kilowatt hour batteries. With this solar solution, his original on-grid solar system don't need to have any change. Yes, we just need to connect to his on-grid inverter. And at the night time, we will use the batteries to power up his battery load. And this is 430 kilowatt hour lithium batteries. We have two modules. One module is 215 kilowatt hours, and each battery with the cooling system here. Here is the cooling fans to make sure the battery temperature will not be high. Yes. And some customer will worry about if the battery temperature high and what will be happened. And don't worry about that. Our lithium battery with the BMS function. BMS is the battery management system, and the BMS will inspect each battery cell, the temperature and voltage or current. If the temperature is changed or is high, it will send the message to you because we have some applications can connect to the batteries. Yes. And here is the touch screen. You can check the temperature, the battery capacity, and the voltage here. And now we are doing the 72 hours testing. When we finish the testing, we will send the goods to our customers. And with this, the customer already has the grid solar system, but now he wants to add some batteries to power up his battery at night. So we recommend using this solar solution. This solar solution actually is AC current. Our on and off grid inverter will connect to his on grid inverter. That means his original solar system will not have any change. Cable connection will not change. We just set up this solar solution to his electrical room to connect to his on-grid inverter. Then it's okay. The installation will be very easy. Yeah. Okay. And here is the 430 kWh lithium battery. It is very suitable for the hotel factory use because their power consumption is very big. So we need to equip with big capacity batteries. And our batteries, we guarantee 10 years warranties. And the batteries, the cycle life is 6,000. That means the lifespan can last to 16 years to 20 years. The symptom will be for the factory use. Yes. And this is the 100 kilowatt on and off grid inverter. At the daytime, we will use the power from solar panel. And the nighttime, we will use the power from the batteries. And if the weather is very bad without the sunshine and in constant the batteries is out of power, we can also use the power from the city grid because our inverter is hybrid type. It can connect to the city grid or the diesel generators. So that means if the solar power is not enough, it will automatically to switch to another power source, like the city power or the diesel generator. That can be sure that your factory load will not stop working. Yeah. And this solar solution will be suitable for the customer who already has the on-grid solar systems. Because we don't need to change anything for the original solar system. We just need to add the on and off grid inverter and the batteries. That is why we don't need to pay much cost, and the installation is easy. Yes. And here is our lithium battery. The total capacity is 430 kilowatt hours, and we have two modules. One module is 215 kilowatt hours. Yes. And each battery pack with cooling fans. That means we have the cooling system for this lithium batteries. Yes. And our batteries with the battery management systems. The battery management systems can inspect each battery cell for the batteries, like the temperature, voltage, and currents. Yes. And here is the touch screen. Now we are doing the 72 hours testing here. Yeah. When we finish the testing, we will ship the goods to our customers. So if you are interested in our solar system, you can.
The temperature didn't affect the battery actually, so don't worry.
Yes. And our solar system.
We give you 10 years warranty.
Yes. We guarantee 10 years warranties, and the lifespan for the batteries is about 16 years to 20 years. And this solar solution can connect to the phone applications. We can use the phone application to check the power generations or the power consumption. Also the working status for the batteries.
Okay, that's all for the testing. Later I will send you the details to my amico.
Yeah.
I will see you later. Goodbye.
Yes.
Goodbye. Today
Yes, if you are interested in our solar solution,
yes.
leave your comments, please. Yes. Okay, today our live stream is.
So see you next time.
See you next week at the same time.
Yes. Goodbye.
Okay, bye bye.
Goodbye. Thank you for visiting. Goodbye.
不行了，还是不适合。